Today's another episode of Cooking with Henry. It's a Henry thing. You wouldn't understand. Today's hat of choice is this Washington Wizards basketball hat. And today, we are cooking something very exotic. Something that a lot of you guys have never eaten before. Chicken spleen. Chicken spleen. I've had beef spleen, chicken spleen, and turkey spleen. I love beef spleen, but I'm not really a fan of chicken or turkey spleen. It's not the worst thing I ever ate. The worst thing I ever ate was lamb head, kimchi, and schmaltz. But I'll eat chicken and turkey spleen once or twice, but that's something I'm going to run out and get all the time. I'm making the video today for you guys. So we're going to be doing some kind of recipe I found on Google about like make a saute and put the chicken spleen inside. So let's get over to our stove and let's continue. So we're going to make the saute now. I'm not going to follow measurements. If you want to, you can, but I'm not, and I'm not going to mention the measurements because I don't remember what they are. I'm just going to put some in and go with the flow. So first, putting in some water like it says. Turning on the heat to maybe like a little more than medium high. I'm going to be adding some salt. Adding some pepper. Paprika. Some olive oil. And some pasta sauce. As you see, it's splattered. Oh well. Now I mix it up. Okay, while it's heating up, I am going to cut up a red pepper and wash the spleen. So we'll be back. So we're back. This is about how much spleen I'm going to use today, chicken spleen. Yeah, chicken spleen looks like deer poop, but all right, let's wash it. Just pat it dry. And the saute is still heating up. So I'm going to go over to the next side, other side, and I'm going to cut a red pepper. So we're back. So I just cut up the red pepper into strips, make it a little smaller pieces. Add it to with the spleen. All right, that's all done. Let's go over to our saute and put the stuff in. So for some reason the video didn't work. I had it in a bowl, the spleen and red peppers, but for some reason the video didn't record. So I have it inside now, the saute, the spleen, chicken spleen, and red peppers. So I'm going to repeat what I just said. So we're waiting for about 5 minutes for it to cook. And while it's cooking, I'll let you guys know next week I am getting 3 new exotic foods that I've never tried. I'm getting duck feet, duck spleen, and duck hearts. I'm really curious to see what duck feet are like. I've had chicken feet, and I've also had turkey feet, and turkey feet are not edible. It has some kind of bone or tendon inside, but it's impossible to eat around it. Anyways, so when we're done, I'm going to have the rice heated up, and we'll try the spleen. But like I said, I've tried spleen already. It's not my favorite thing, but I'll try it for you guys on camera. All right. We're back. See you guys on the flip side. So we're back, and we're ready to plate the meal. Like I said, I'm not a fan of chicken spleen. It's not the worst thing, but it's not my favorite thing. So I want to say, maybe I like it better today, because I'm trying a new recipe with a sauté. Who knows? But let's see. All right. I don't want to put more sauce because it's already very watery, because I didn't obviously measure the measurements. So let's see. Let's see. It's probably going to be super hot as you see the steam. Wow, my mouth's on fire. Well, it's a little better because I am, putting some sauté on top, but still, it's not my thing. But I do love beef spleen. All right. Another episode of Cooking with Henry.